how to find access your information settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find access your information settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and then go down until you find this one, access your information. Just click on it and then you will be able to manage access your information settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.